Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about the new radial repeat feature in Figma Draw. So I was drawing some icons in Figma, and I just discovered this feature, and it is awesome. So I'm just copy pasting this. I'll delete this. Okay, so now I wanna design a flower, right? So I'm just creating a base for that, something like this. Perfect. Make this black. This is fine, maybe 1.5. We'll make some minor fixes for this. Perfect. This should be over here. This is fine. Okay, so I'll add some border radius. Perfect. Okay, so I have this petal for the leaf here, and now is the fun part. So we have this radial repeat feature, and when I click on that, it adds a repeat feature to this. So still the underlying vector is the same, but it adds a new repeat to how many repeats you want. So 6, 7, 8, however many you want you can add. So let's start with 6 is fine. I'll reduce the width a little bit, and you can move it down. So yeah, so you can do things like this with the radial repeat, and now you can just go in and edit it. So if you want this to be a little bigger, you can just go in and edit it however you want. So this radial repeat is very nice. I like it very much. So, and it's made creating icons very easy. So yeah, you can also update the repeat how many you want. So if I just want something like 5, I can add 5, and that's it. I like this flower much better than this one. Maybe I'll update it. But yeah, so try it out. It's in the Figma draw mode. You have to click this button to open the draw mode, and you can select any vector. So any vector we want. So I'll just maybe I'll draw something like this, and you can select it, add vector to that, and it will be vectorized. This radial repeat button, and it will have, it will repeat itself however many times you want. So yeah, that's it. Try it out. It's a very nice feature, and Figma is I don't want to say it, but they hit the park with this feature. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.